Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're looking at Coinpot. Where is it gone? What is going on? And what are they doing about it? So keep watching. Hi and welcome to another episode of Ask RJ. Yes, this is a Q&A feature of my channel where you get your questions answered. And if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so I haven't done one of these for quite some time. I used to do them quite regular, but you know, now I just do it if there is an absolutely burning question where I'm getting tons of emails, PMs, DMs, everything about it. I will basically look into it, see what's going on, and then try and give you guys the answer. So recently, the biggest thing that seems to be going on is Coinpot Faucets going down. Where have they gone? A lot of people are shouting at me, or you know, metaphorically, lots of exclamation marks in PMs and DMs. And basically, so what is Coinpot for start with? For those of you that are not familiar with what it is a multi-faucet, multi-coin program. I personally think it is one of the best gateway programs out there for those people that are just discovering crypto and you want to earn free coins or learn how to earn free coins. This is the program. It is so easy. Basically, you can get it set up. You can have the site running in the background on your computer behind, you know, so basically you can open up all the faucets in multi-tabs on your browsers, have them run in the background and still be able to do work on a window in the front. So as you can see here, the example is there's Moon Bitcoin Cash, Moon Dash and bonus Bitcoins. Fortunately, those three faucets are still working. The reason why they are still working and were not taken down with the other sites, which were Litecoin, Dogecoin and Bitcoin. So basically, obviously I showed you bonus Bitcoin, but there's also a Moon Faucet which is called Moon Bitcoin. Here you have, this is Moon Dash, and then you have Moon Bitcoin, and like I say, but that is now, and that is bonus Bitcoin. So they had two Bitcoin sites. Anyway, need to get on with it. I'm just rambling. So basically, the reason why they stayed up is that they were on a more modern server with newer software, probably which then gives better security, and they were not basically prone to the ransomware attack that happened. So a lot of you have been asking, you know, is Bitcoin, is Coinpot doing maintenance, anything like that? So basically, a couple of days ago when I first found out about this, I came into my account. So obviously their main website, which is this that you're looking at, was operational. Went into their news feed, there was nothing. There was absolutely nothing. And I think at the time I did that, it was very early, and either Coinpot did not want to disclose what had happened, or actually they weren't even sure what had happened. So, but what did happen is that Coinpot suffered a ransomware attack on the servers that had Litecoin, Dogecoin and the Bitcoin Moon Faucets. And basically, so while they're running around trying to figure out what is going on and what to do about that, is simultaneously they had a DDoS attack. So firstly, what is a ransomware attack? So a ransomware attack is basically where you your system is hacked by malware, and what that does, that then encrypts your computer, your laptop, your server. So basically, you basically just get this thing telling you that you're having a ransomware attack. Everything's been encrypted, and if you don't pay this ransom that they're asking for, you will never be able to access that information again. So Coinpot had this ransom put on them. The monetary value that apparently was asked was $200,000, but obviously it was not in dollars that they were asked for. They would have been asked for in cryptocurrency, but that is what it equated to, was $200,000. So Coinpot, we're not in the position to pay this. And also the thing is, if you pay it, you then you can never be sure if they're actually going to unlock your system or just keep asking you for more. But also as well, again, if you do pay it, that just then opens you up for another attack, because they know you'll pay it, so they then attack you again. So it's one of those things, you just don't deal. You're better off just wiping your system, making sure you've got better security on it, and then trying to load everything back up, which is what Coinpot were gonna do, and obviously that is what they were gonna implement. But basically, so like I mentioned, they simultaneously had a DDoS attack. A DDoS attack is basically where the attackers use bots and software and stuff like that to essentially overload your system. So, if you're running, say you're running a website, back in the day, if your system crashed because you had so many people go into your website, people thought, wow, that's amazing. But the thing is, now it generally happens because it's what's known as a DDoS attack. So basically, you are a website that becomes targeted. The attackers send all these drones and that overload your system then crashes. And this is what the clever thing is, what the attackers did do. I don't condone it, but it is quite clever, because when a ransomware is initially implemented on a system, if you catch it early enough, it is possible to limit the damage. So they can limit it to a certain area, so you don't lose everything, or not everything is encrypted. So you've only got to recover a small slice of the pie, essentially. But when you get hit by a DDoS attack at the same time, which takes your server down, you can't access that. So that then gives more time for the ransomware to do the damage, and then that is it, you're scuppered. You are absolutely buggered. And this is what happened to Coinpot. And unfortunately, the reason why this happened is, like I said, is that the Litecoin, Bitcoin Core, and Dogecoin, they were on an older server. So they were on basically antiquated hardware, which was running antiquated software, i.e. the security, and basically that is what left them open to this attack. Coinpot have totally admitted this. I'm not pointing fingers and saying this is theory. Coinpot have actually admitted this, but the big downside for this is that obviously Coinpot do backups, as most businesses do nowadays, but these backups were also corrupted. So what has happened with that is that although nobody has lost any coins, so all the coins that, like you can see here in my wallet, all those are 100% safe. Coinpot has stated everyone's accounts, the coins are 100% safe. But information such as referrals. So if you're a big promoter of this program and you had a number of referrals on, because you basically would get referrals not just for this program, but you got referrals to each different faucet. So depending on what ones that you were promoting, any of those websites that went down, if you had referrals on them, you have lost them. That is it. Coinpot have stated that all referrals on those 3 sites, also possibly a 4th site, because there is the BitFun, which is like a site where you play games to earn coins as opposed to just running some faucets. BitFun, I believe, possibly might have been affected as well. So any of those websites, if you were a promoter of those, I know a lot of you do affiliate marketing, you have lost all your referrals to those sites. But Coinpot have said that the bonuses that do appear on those sites, such as the loyalty bonus, the referral bonus, and the mystery bonus, will be at 100% operational, I believe, for a week or 2 weeks, to try and give you guys something back to say very sorry about that. So for those of you that are not already involved with Coinpot and you want to earn a load of cryptocurrency for free for not really doing a lot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video that is going to show you how to get your account set up, how the faucets work, a few hints and tips. So go and check that out. For YT viewers, I'm going to put that link at the top here, and if you go right the way to the end of the video, you can click on that there as well and just watch it straight away. So I'm just going to mention one last thing, just in case I don't mention this in that earlier video. And also as well, for people that have been using Coinpot a long time, this actually might be something that you have missed out on, and it's to do with bonus Bitcoin. Okay, so every time you come into bonus Bitcoin and before you start claiming, make sure you change this setting. So what you want to do is go down to change your claim settings. So you click on that, and then you want to tick always receive the average amount. The reason for that is basically they will tell you that you can earn from 1 to 5,000 satoshis every 15 minutes, but the chances of you actually winning that jackpot is very, very slim. And if you don't tick this, a lot of times you might only be earning 1 or 2 satoshis every 15 minutes, which is pretty horrendous. If you click this, you'll be earning what the average is. Currently the average is 12 satoshis every 15 minutes. Before the halving, it was about 27 to 30. So obviously that reward has dropped down 50%. So just make sure you tick this before you start to claim. And then obviously if you leave the site open and you're just claiming every 15 minutes, that's fine. But if you leave the site and you close your browser, the next time you come in here, you will need to tick this again. So make sure you do that. Okay, so that is everything. Thanks for watching. If you could smash that like button, that really helps to support my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. And if you are interested in that earlier video, then it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and start watching. Take care and thanks a lot. Bye.